The 1960s wasn't just a decade of rock and roll, moon landings, and cultural revolutions. It was the golden age of American cars, a time when chrome, horsepower, and freedom collided on the open road. Cars weren't just machines in the 60s, they were statements. Automakers pushed the limits of style and speed, and what followed was a horsepower war that gave birth to some of the most legendary rides in history. It all began in 1964 when Pontiac introduced the GTO, the car many call the very first true muscle car. It had a simple formula: take a lightweight midsize car and drop in a massive V8. The result? Affordable performance that teenagers and racers alike could enjoy. Soon the competition exploded. Ford unleashed the Mustang in 1964 and a half, creating the pony car craze. By 1967, Chevrolet fired back with the Camaro, while Dodge rolled out the Charger, a car that would later become a Hollywood icon in Bullitt. The late 60s became a horsepower arms race. Plymouth gave us the Roadrunner, a budget-friendly speed demon. Dodge built the wild Daytona with its massive wing to dominate NASCAR, and of course, Shelby was busy turning the Mustang into the fire-breathing GT350 and GT500. By the end of the decade, the 1960s had transformed the car world forever. It wasn't just about getting from point A to point B. It was about how fast you could get there and how cool you looked doing it. The 60s gave us legends, and those legends still rumble on today. So, what's your favorite car from the 1960s? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you love classic muscle.